Said I'm living my best life. Said I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons.
Today with the outfit of the day from Fashion to Figure. This is so cute. The top is from Fashion to Figure. The pants are Melissa McCarthy and the shoes are Vera Wang. And what I love about this color is blue. Blue is my favorite color. The bows on the shoes are so cute. As y'all know, I've been working out. These bands fit big. Of course, curves on fleek. Yes, y'all. And of course, her Kennedy's curls. It's the hair, y'all. Almost forgot what I was gonna say. But yes, I just like this outfit. Summer is slowly winding down, so I decided to just, you know, be a little cute and casual today. So yes, y'all, let me know if y'all loving this outfit. And I do thank y'all for watching from the bottom into the top, and from the bottom into the top, and from the middle. Y'all, I've been working out, y'all. It's paying off. But yeah, I'm getting off topic, y'all, but I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Said I'm living my best life. Said I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my